activities used to be run in here back in the days.
Oh.
Each pharaoh who has a pyramid in this area used to have his own private mummification place. And this mummification place, it was only for one person.
Okay.
Every pharaoh, sign of privacy. Same like the title of being a pharaoh, or same like the pyramid itself. you
Right.
know?
Right.
So when we get later into the Egyptian Museum, I will learn more information about the mummification process.
Okay.
The place over there is very simple. It's the same like outside. I mean, you don't see pretty much of carvings or wall paintings or decoration or colors. No, it's
Okay.
blank walls.
Okay.
Because the place inside, it's more used to be a kind of a surgery room in hospital. And people who were in charge in here, they were called empalmers, like surgery doctors nowadays. They were not priests. They were not practicing for the religion in here, in this place.
Okay.
Because there is another type of temples, and this is called worshipping temples. You know, and this is the one where you can see the carvings and the paintings, the offerings, you know,
Right.
the daily life scenes, the pharaohs, and, you know.
Okay.
بصش لورا عايزين يكلموا ده شغل الفلاحين ده مش عايزينه بقى ليه ولا كانهم موجودين هاي هتحسسونا بالنقص ايه ولا طب بذمتك
This is school trip.
Yeah, it is. A lot of children. Wow.
أمير انت لو دخلت هنا هتنام معاك غلط تعمل انا مش معاك
So please, my dear, on the way in, you need to show the ticket.
Okay. Is this for him?
So the place, my dear, in here is made out of granite.
Okay.
These stones come from Aswan, from the very south of Egypt. It's very long travel from Aswan to here to bring these rocks. The flooring is made out of marble or alabaster. So here in this spot, so this is where we have found the only well-preserved statue for King Khafre. And this is later I'm going to show it to you when you get into the Egyptian Museum.
Okay.
People use this one since the sun is the wishing well.
Okay.
But to be honest, no, this is not a real wishing well. Okay? Yeah, this is one point. The second point is, I'm doing diving now for 12 years. The average number of tourists between October until February, which is the high season time, was about 30,000 people every day. Imagine. When people they come to drop this money, after 5 years, 10 years, it's to die. 100%. I'm very sure the guards, by the end of the day, the guards collect them up. So I'm saying this wishing well, you'll make a wish after the guards becomes rich.
Yes. Yes. Making their wish come true.
So I'm very sure the guards after they go there and they collect them like thank you, thank
My
you.
wish has been granted. Thank you. Wow.
So this is where the mummification process used to be run in here back in the days.
Okay.
Something very important. If you take a look to the top part, you don't see any kind of ceiling or roof in here.
Right.
Why? Because people during the mummification process, they were in need for the sun to go direct on the body to dry out.
Oh, okay.
And the mummification activity in here takes between 45 days up to 3 months. If you don't mind, I'd like to stay in the middle to make you some nice picture before the group